Imagine a world where artificial intelligence isn't just a tool, but the very engine driving global innovation, business, and technology. Now, imagine two of the biggest names in tech, Microsoft and Google, dropping a combined $16 billion in Europe to lead this revolution. This isn't just a story about money, it's a story about strategy, power, and the future of technology itself. In this video, we're diving deep into these massive investments, exploring why Europe is the chosen battleground and what this means for the AI landscape worldwide. To really grasp the scale of what's happening, let's talk numbers. Microsoft is pouring $10 billion into Portugal to build state-of-the-art AI data centers, partnering with giants like NVIDIA and Enscol. Meanwhile, Google is investing around $6.5 billion in Germany to expand its own AI infrastructure and offices. Together, this $16 billion push is one of the largest single AI initiatives by private companies ever. It is a clear signal of how serious these corporations are about cementing their dominance in the fast-evolving world of AI. This investment goes way beyond just constructing buildings. It's about a grander vision, controlling the entire AI ecosystem, shaping the future of technology, and creating the perfect environment for AI to flourish. Data centers, like the ones Microsoft and Google are building, are the lifeblood of AI. They are absolutely essential for training the large language models that power everything from our virtual assistants and translation tools to self-driving cars and groundbreaking scientific research. By controlling this infrastructure, these companies gain immense strategic leverage over how AI technologies are developed, deployed, and scaled across the globe. Let's start with Microsoft. The company has pinpointed Sines, a port city in Portugal, for its new AI hub. Now, Portugal might seem like an interesting choice. It may not have the same tech mecca reputation as Silicon Valley or Berlin, but it offers some key strategic advantages. It boasts a reliable energy supply, attractive government incentives for tech investments, and a rapidly growing community of highly skilled tech professionals. By planting its flag here, Microsoft can leverage these benefits to build one of the most advanced AI centers in Europe. To make this happen, Microsoft is teaming up with NVIDIA, the undisputed leader in high-performance AI processors. This ensures their data centers will have the raw computational power needed for the most demanding AI applications. They're also bringing in Enscale, a specialized infrastructure partner, to manage and maintain these colossal installations. The project scale is staggering. It's expected to create thousands of high-tech jobs, from engineers and software developers to infrastructure and data specialists. This will not only supercharge Microsoft's own AI capabilities, but also deliver a massive boost to the local economy, creating a vibrant technology ecosystem in Portugal. The data centers Microsoft is constructing are designed to handle some of the most complex AI models ever conceived, models that can process language, images, and video at speeds we've never seen before. By establishing this hub in Europe, Microsoft is ensuring that European companies and research institutions have access to world-class AI resources, empowering them to compete on a global stage and innovate faster. In essence, Microsoft is planting the seeds for a European AI powerhouse. Now let's shift our focus to Google. The search giant has chosen Germany, Europe's economic juggernaut, for its massive $6.5 billion investment. Germany is a strategically vital location. It has a powerful industrial base, a deep well of AI and tech talent, and a central position in Europe that offers easy access to neighboring countries. Google's investment is focused on building new AI infrastructure, expanding its existing data centers, and growing its office presence for AI development teams. The goal is to firmly establish Germany as a premier hub for AI innovation and development in Europe. This move will significantly strengthen Google's ability to develop and deploy large-scale AI models, enhance its cloud computing services, and offer advanced AI solutions to businesses and governments all across the continent. By beefing up its AI infrastructure in Germany, Google is making sure it stays at the cutting edge of AI technology. This is a long-term play, a strategic move to dominate AI research and deployment, not just in Europe, but across the entire planet. So, why Europe? Why not just double down in the United States, or push into China or other parts of Asia? The answer is a mix of smart strategy, unique opportunity, and regulatory savvy. Europe offers several distinct advantages for AI development. First, the regulatory landscape, while strict, is also clear. With established privacy laws and emerging AI regulations, companies can operate in a predictable legal environment. This reduces risk and ensures compliance. Plus, by being on the ground, Microsoft and Google can help shape AI standards in Europe, which could set the precedent for global norms. Second, Europe has an incredible talent pool. Countries like Germany, France, Portugal, and the Netherlands are home to world-class AI researchers, software engineers, and data scientists. By investing heavily in European AI infrastructure, Microsoft and Google get direct access to this top-tier talent, which is absolutely crucial for pushing the boundaries of AI. Third, there's the geopolitical angle. Investing in Europe allows these tech giants to diversify their operations, reducing their dependency on US-only infrastructure and tapping into new markets. This isn't just about technology, it's about global influence. Microsoft and Google are effectively positioning themselves at the very heart of Europe's AI ecosystem, controlling both the tools and the environment where AI will grow. This gives them a major competitive advantage in the global AI race against rivals from China and even back home in the US. Another huge impact of these investments is job creation and economic growth. Analysts predict these AI hubs in Portugal and Germany will generate thousands of jobs in fields like AI research, software development, and infrastructure management. These aren't just jobs, they are career pathways, allowing people to become part of the next generation of AI professionals. Beyond that, the economic ripple effect will be substantial. Startups, research labs, universities, and small tech companies will likely spring up or expand around these AI hubs, creating a self-sustaining cycle of innovation. At its core, AI infrastructure is a combination of high-performance computers, vast storage systems, and advanced software that lets AI models learn and predict with incredible accuracy. Without this powerful foundation, systems like ChatGPT, autonomous cars, or AI-driven medical diagnostics simply couldn't function effectively. Microsoft and Google are building the engines that will power the next decade of AI innovation, giving them unparalleled influence over the technology landscape. This investment also underscores the intensifying global competition in AI. The United States, China, and Europe are all vying for leadership in this transformative technology. By planting their flags firmly in Europe, Microsoft and Google aren't just building data centers. They are strategically positioning themselves in the global AI hierarchy. Europe becomes a vital bridge connecting the US to global markets, allowing these companies to expand their influence, set industry standards, and attract talent from all over the world. Of course, projects this ambitious are not without challenges. AI data centers consume enormous amounts of energy, and managing this sustainably is a top priority. Both companies are investing heavily in renewable energy to power their facilities and minimize their environmental footprint. Regulatory compliance is another major hurdle. Europe's laws on data privacy and AI ethics are strict, and these companies must ensure their operations are fully compliant. Finally, the competition for talent is fierce. Even with Europe's large talent pool, they'll have to compete with local startups, universities, and other global firms to attract and retain the best minds. Despite these obstacles, Microsoft and Google are betting big that the long-term rewards will far outweigh the risks. The opportunity to lead AI innovation, cultivate a strong European AI ecosystem, and shape global AI standards makes this a strategic necessity. These projects are more than just infrastructure. They are a bold declaration that the next era of AI will be defined by those who invest wisely in infrastructure, talent, and global strategy. In conclusion, Microsoft and Google's combined $16 billion investment in Europe is a landmark moment in the history of AI. It's a story of vision, strategy, and ambition. By choosing Portugal and Germany as their next AI frontiers, these companies are not just advancing technology, they are reshaping the future of work, innovation, and global power. Europe is now at the epicenter of the AI revolution, with Microsoft and Google leading the charge. This is just the beginning of a new chapter in the global AI race, one that will define our technological and economic landscape for years to come. Have you heard the news? Microsoft and Google are pouring a staggering $16 billion into AI infrastructure in Europe. But this isn't just about building data centers. It's about reshaping the future of global technology. By setting up massive AI hubs, These giants are creating a playground for innovation on a scale we've never seen before. These hubs will be launchpads for new AI technologies, giving both established companies and startups access to world-class computing power. One of the most exciting outcomes is the boost for Europe's startup scene. AI startups often struggle with the high cost of computing resources. With Microsoft and Google providing the heavy-lifting infrastructure, these smaller companies can focus on what they do best, creating groundbreaking AI solutions. We could see breakthroughs in everything from healthcare and finance to transportation and education. This might just be the catalyst that transforms Europe into a tech innovation hub to rival Silicon Valley. Beyond startups, universities and research institutions are also set to benefit. With access to powerful AI infrastructure, researchers can tackle bigger problems, run more complex simulations, and push the boundaries of what we understand about artificial intelligence. Imagine collaborations between corporations and universities leading to AI that can detect diseases earlier, model climate change with greater accuracy, or create truly personalized learning for every student. This investment will also attract the brightest minds from around the world, creating a vibrant melting pot of ideas and expertise right in the heart of Europe. But with great power comes great responsibility. While the economic and tech benefits are clear, we have to talk about the bigger picture: global AI governance. Europe has been a leader in creating rules for ethical AI, like the EU's AI Act. By investing so heavily here, Microsoft and Google are essentially aligning themselves with a region that prioritizes responsible AI. This is a huge opportunity to influence global standards, promoting transparency, fairness, privacy, and accountability in AI development worldwide. It sends a clear message that we need collaboration between governments and corporations to prevent AI from being misused. The ethical questions are absolutely crucial. We can't ignore the potential impact of AI on jobs, privacy, and society as a whole. While these companies are driving economic growth, we must ensure AI systems are used responsibly. This means tackling bias in AI models, safeguarding our sensitive data, and ensuring that human judgment isn't completely replaced in critical situations. These are the central debates shaping the future of AI's role in our lives and the responsibilities of the companies building it. Another major concern is the environmental impact. Training and running these massive AI models consumes an enormous amount of electricity. To their credit, both Microsoft and Google have committed to using sustainable energy sources, like solar and wind power, for their new data centers. These steps are vital. They not only reduce the environmental footprint, but also prove that large-scale AI and global sustainability goals can go hand in hand. This is about setting an example of responsible corporate behavior. Looking ahead, the influence of these AI hubs in Europe will be felt for decades. Europe could soon lead the world in AI applications, regulatory frameworks, and innovation. The mix of advanced infrastructure, top talent, and supportive regulations will enable Europe to compete directly with other AI powerhouses like the United States and China. This is a strategic move that solidifies these tech giants' leadership in AI while fostering a collaborative global environment. The long-term impact on the global AI landscape is going to be massive. This $16 billion investment sets a precedent for other tech companies. We could see a new era of global collaboration, with different regions contributing their unique resources and perspectives to AI development. It might also push countries to rethink their own AI policies, education systems, and tech priorities to stay competitive in a world increasingly driven by artificial intelligence. However, we need to be mindful of the social and ethical questions that arise. Will AI development be inclusive, or will it create a wider gap between the tech haves and have-nots? Will our privacy and security be protected when so much power is concentrated in the hands of a few giant corporations? These are the tough questions that policymakers, companies, and all of us as citizens need to tackle as the AI revolution moves forward. There are also potential geopolitical consequences. By strengthening their presence in Europe, Microsoft and Google are influencing global tech leadership. This could ripple out to affect international relations, trade policies, and technology alliances as nations compete for influence in the AI space. Europe's new role as a central hub might also spur other regions to accelerate their own AI investments, leading to a global speed-up of AI capabilities and innovation. But let's not forget the human element in all of this. AI isn't just about algorithms, it's about people, jobs, and communities. While new jobs will be created in Europe, AI will also disrupt existing industries. Preparing our workforce for this change is absolutely critical. We all need robust training programs and strong partnerships between tech companies and schools to ensure the benefits of AI are shared by everyone. The potential for AI to transform society is immense. In healthcare, it can help with early diagnosis and personalized treatments. In transportation, it can make autonomous vehicles safer and more efficient. In finance, it can detect fraud. In education, it can create personalized learning paths for students. Microsoft and Google's investments will accelerate these applications, bring in real, tangible benefits to millions of people. As we look to the future, it's clear these investments are part of a larger trend of technological globalization. AI development is no longer confined to one country. It's a global collaborative effort. By building these powerful AI hubs in Europe, Microsoft and Google are fostering a worldwide network of innovation and knowledge sharing. This network has the potential to help us solve some of the world's biggest challenges, from climate change to public health. Still, we must remain vigilant about the risks. AI is a double-edged sword. Transparency, accountability, and ethics must be at the core of all AI development. The companies, governments, and international organizations need to work together to build frameworks that ensure AI is used safely, equitably, and for the good of humanity. This investment gives Microsoft and Google a chance to lead by example. In conclusion, this combined $16 billion investment is a landmark moment for artificial intelligence. It's more than just money. It's a strategic, technological, and ethical statement about the future. By building state-of-the-art AI infrastructure, these companies are supercharging innovation, creating jobs, and placing Europe at the center of the global AI race. The potential benefits are enormous, but the challenges from ethical use to environmental impact are just as significant. The success of this new era will depend on responsible leadership and collaboration. We are witnessing a historic shift, and Europe is now the stage where the next chapter of artificial intelligence will unfold. The content of this video is based on publicly available information and is for educational purposes only. It is not financial, legal, or professional advice. Information can change, so we encourage you to verify details independently. If you found this video informative and want to stay updated on AI and technology, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. What do you think about these massive AI investments? Will Europe become the new center for AI innovation? Let us know in the comments below. Stay curious, and thanks for watching.